I got this question a couple of months ago. So here's what I can tell you right now. The biggest thing holding you back in your 20s isn't the lack of tactics or not knowing the right skill or timing the market or looking for the next big thing. Those are just dumb mistakes that I've made and that you have made or that you will make if you don't hear me out till the end of this video. What I'm going to show you in this video are the 3 biggest mistakes I've made in my 20s, and if avoided, could make your life more secure, less complex, and more fulfilling in terms of money. You see, when I was in early 20s, I was thinking that money is really scarce and that time is unlimited, but it's actually the other way around. And that belief cost me my progress in my early 20s because that mindset locked me into opening up a saving account, putting every dollar into it, investing into safe stocks that, yield you like 10%, 50% per year. And deep down, I knew I can use my money in a better way and I can use my time in a better way because I knew there were much better opportunities out there than what were spoken to me at that time. But the ultimate reason why I didn't take the big swings was because I was afraid. I was afraid of losing that short-term nest egg, that short-term investment that I had. But money is replaceable, okay? Time is not. You can always make more money, you can never make more time. So instead of playing defense with every dollar you make, play offense with your time. Take risks, get uncomfortable, fail, do it again, fail again, take more risk, and do it again and again and again until you finally start learning and getting your shit together. But let me ask you this right now. Are you holding off your big move in your life right now because you need more experience? And I'm gonna give you a spoiler alert right now, but you can learn 90% of any job in the world in 6 months. Most people waste years, literally 5 years, 3 years, whatever, on actually getting the experience. But what they actually need is courage to take that big step. So ask yourself that question. Mistake number 2, staying too comfortable for too long. Your 20s are not for milking the cash cow, aka your parents. They are for building your new cow, your new driver, your new, let's say, money faucet. Now, I understand you'll be tempted to cling to the thing that works right now. Whether that be your parents that are providing for you everything right now, whether that be your job that you're doing right now, which is more than enough and gets you through and gets you all the needs that you have to take care of right now. But again, deep down, you know that in the long term, that deal is not sufficient for you. So if you know that there's a better long-term opportunity, you have to be willing, you have to have the courage to make less now in the short term to make way more later in the long term. And I'll give you an example of my wealth, let's say, problem or mistake. I had money to burn in my 20s and I could have invested into Bitcoin when it was 10K, 20K, but I didn't. Why? Scarcity mindset. I was playing defense, as I explained. And if you believe in something and you're not afraid of losing, take the damn swing. Go all in on it. And the last mistake is only you can be you, and only your weirdness is what will truly set you apart. So triple down on your weirdness. This is your unfair advantage. It isn't being someone else, it is being unique. It is the stuff, the little gritty. It's the little stuff that you hide behind the camera. And so if you're feeling like you don't fit somewhere, that's good. You're actually unique. You're actually original. Show that, right? People crave for that. You really have to understand that. I heard this quote, originals get rich, but copies get ignored. Same with copying any other YouTuber, influencers, entrepreneurs. You waste your energy, your spirit, your mind on trying to be someone else. Same with aimless dating plus mimicking other people's thinking, behaviors, thoughts. If you're not serious about long-term relationships, why are you wasting your time going on this endless stream of, relationships, short-term relationships? Dating a hangout, chasing validation, it's a black hole for your energy, for your heart. So let me summarize this. You are the most powerful, the most creative, the most energetic version of yourself right now. But you're also drunk in your 20s on youth. And if you don't recognize that, if you don't control it, if you're not mindful about that, you'll waste the most valuable years of your life. Don't play to win the next 12 months. Play to win your next 10 years. Take big swings. Drop the scarcity mindset. Ignore the, safety of life right now. Triple down on your weirdness. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe, tap the notification bell, because I'll be sharing more mindset videos just like this one. So that's it for now. Let me know your thoughts in the comment if you resonate with any of these 3 mistakes. And remember, stay weird, stay focused, and stay dangerous. See you for now. Bye.